Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about my kitty's dinner that I'm about to feed her. It is Trader Joe's chicken, turkey, and rice dinner, premium cat food. I love Trader Joe's. They're just such an awesome store if you're not familiar with them. I know that they don't have them in a lot of places, so I love that you can have the option to purchase their products online if you don't have one close by. And they're always really good. What I love about this cat food is it has high quality ingredients, and it's it's just a really good food at a really good price. Trader Joe's is very reasonable with their prices, and I always love their food, their snacks. They don't have like a whole lot of produce, but they have great like frozen meals and vegetables and stuff like that, and most are available online. So this is the can. It's a pretty large size, just like a regular, like the size of like a tuna fish can. This is a net weight of 5.5 ounces or 156 grams. Barcode on the back here, just like a regular tin can. My cat's waiting patiently to eat it, by the way. She's funny. Okay, so here are the ingredients I'm going to read for you guys. Chicken broth, chicken, turkey, animal liver, ocean fish, brewer's rice, oat bran, dried fish protein digest, gar gum, potassium chloride, soy lectin, salt, minerals, iron amino acid chelate, zinc amino acid chelate, copper amino acid chelate, manganese amino acid chelate, sodium selenate, potassium iodide, sorry if I butcher some of these words by the way, choline chloride, vitamins, thiamine, mononitrate, vitamin riboflavin supplement, vitamin E supplement, niacin supplement, decalcium pantothenate, pyridoxine hydrochloride, riboflavin supplement, vitamin A supplement, biotin, vitamin D3 supplement, vitamin B12 supplement, folic acid, carrageenan, and taurine. Distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's in Monrovia, California, 91016. Calorie content calculated 1,217 kilograms, 190 kcals can. Trader Joe's chicken, turkey, and rice dinner premium cat food is formulated to meet the nutritional levels established by the AAFCO cat food nutrient profiles for all life stages. So, guaranteed analysis, crude protein 9.0 minimum, crude fat 6.0 minimum, crude fiber 1.0 maximum, moisture 78.0% max, ash 2.7 max percent, magnesium 0.028 max, taurine 0.05 minimum. So the feeding guidelines: feed according to the age, size, and activity of your cat. Feed at room temperature and refrigerate unused portion. Adults feed about 1 to 1.25 can per 6 to 8 pounds of body weight per day. Kitten feed up to twice the adult amount to kittens. Gestation and lactation feed up to 3 times the normal adult amount. Please provide fresh drinking water for your cats at all times. And then it's just this easy pull top can, very simple. So this is the pate. So this is just like easy to scoop. They do have other flavors, which I'll do another video on. Like this is another one. They have an ocean fish, but I wanted to get her turkey. This is turkey and giblets, and then this one is chicken, turkey, and rice dinner. So it's just like a little bit of a different variety. Sometimes I like to change it up. I feel like she gets like bored of her food or whatever, so I like to switch it up for her. So I'm gonna put a little bit in her plate, and she loves this one. I bought this for her before. I think it's like a good consistency. It's like pretty thick and stuff, and she really likes it. And then I'll just put the top back on, replace the top with tin foil, and then it doesn't say on here, but I just refrigerate the unused portion, and then tomorrow I'll feed her the rest of it. So this was Trader Joe's chicken, turkey, and rice dinner premium cat food. I hope that you guys try it out for your kitty, and I hope they love it. And I thank you so much for watching. Again, try out Trader Joe's cat food. I'm telling you, it's so worth it, because it's a really great product, and you know that you're feeding your cat something good, and then on top of it, like, the taste is great, because my cat absolutely loves it. If she didn't like it, she'd be like not eating it. She'd kind of be like picking at it and being really picky with it. So I thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you all have a great night.